Let's go. What's good, guys? Alright, cool. We're recording. Everything's going. Let me put my phone on Do Not Disturb so I can lock in. I just ran for like a mile to wake myself up. Electrolytes with the creatine Celsius. You already know what I'm on. You can't play. Don't play with it. Alright. Pull this up here. Still got the same 3 Top Step accounts. I did get some alpha futures though, some evals. So I might be trading both of them today. We will see. We will see. Trading view. What kind of news do we got today? Oh, that's Trade of 8. Forex Factory. CPI already hit. Natural gas 10:30, 4 p.m. Okay, cool. So yellow folder at 10:30. The rest was this CPI that already came out at 8:30. Okay. Alright, so boom. Is this a daily order block? Right here. But NASDAQ already in this hell. Cool. What else? On the daily on NASDAQ, or does ES have this gap? ES doesn't have this gap. NASDAQ does have barely like a sliver of a gap. But we are at the moment reacting up. We haven't taken out previous day high or previous day low. We did inverse this daily gap though. For now, I'm just gonna mark out previous day high and previous day low on NASDAQ. And on ES, and I'll probably delete them in a second. Just for the sake of it, I'm gonna turn all these. Previous day high can be white. Nah, previous day high, I'm gonna change the color. I'm gonna just make it fucking gray. Fuck it. For now. Teal. Yeah, I know I picked the wrong one. Boom. Boom. Gray. Alright, cool. So previous day low over here. Okay, so ES did take that out, so we already have an SMT. Cool. 4 hour. We're inside this 4 hour gap still for the next 40 minutes. We'll just have to see if we close above it or not. That'll kind of be our thing, I think. 1 hour. You have an SMT at the lows here. Besides that, we're kind of just reacting up. There wasn't any like a 1 hour, nah. We inversed this, nah. So I mean, technically we're inside this 1 hour gap too. Right here. We do have a resting hourly above. 30-minute. We're kind of just gonna have to see what we do off the open. Market's gonna have to show us which way it's trying to go, just because we had this 8:30 3:30 news, which pumped us up. So we need to see if we're gonna continue this and just keep going up, or if we're gonna come back down for these lows and continue down. We're coming back up into this 4-hour order block up here. For sure ski, for sure ski. Let's see where our session shit's at. Yeah, so Asia SMT'd with previous day lows. Yeah, so Asia lows, SMT London lows. We have like Asia reversal. I don't see that often. Asia reversal, London continuation. Yeah, I mean, right now, I think you just gotta be bearish just because of the trend. Overall, obvious bearish trend. But, what would I need to see for us to be bullish? I mean, it's like unfilled 4-hour up here. London lows doesn't have an unfilled hourly below it. I mean, I think I'm just bearish. Maybe like up to this gap, bullish up to this gap, but it's like even now, I'm just gonna want to see what we do off the open. Honestly, there's no super strong like, oh, we're definitely going here. I want to see how we react off all these gaps too. 5 minutes till market open. Is there anything else here to really see as far as the higher time frame? We slowly came up, and now with the news we pushed up high. And we'll see if we're gonna continue that. I think that's kind of the vibes right now. We'll see what happens up here. just because we have this hourly order block. As well as these key levels here with this 4-hour gap on NASDAQ. Yeah, 4-hour gap on NASDAQ. ES does not have a 4-hour gap. But this is also same on NASDAQ, 4-hour and a 1-hour order block, honestly. I want to start experimenting with I'm chilling. Even though I think we are gonna go to this high. If we were to just punch it on this change in the state. See? That's why I don't take no trades off the open. No SMT though. Just a sweep of the low. Yeah, if you had got in, targeted this, and put a 1-to-1 stop loss, it's a banger right there. I want to start focused. I want to start trading more like this. This is what I'm going to start to try to. I want to trade more discretionarily. But since we're already in this order block now, I'm looking for us to kind of start to reject off of it. But we can wait for that. want to see where our targets for the day are. Are they going to be higher or lower? Because right now we're in OTE of the range, so this is a nice place to be able to reject off of. We also are rejecting off this 4-hour order block. Yeah, no SMT here to the left of us. We're straight, so we're just kind of in this place. Let me actually mark out these highs just in case we do come up here. Oh, it's pretty much right at the bottom of that gap. Perfect. I'm gonna mark this. We do have this unfilled 15-minute below us. Just since we came up, swept this liquidity at this order block, came down, I want to see us take out some sort of liquidity to the upside. I know we took it out here, but we took out this new buy side liquidity. If we're going to come straight down here, I don't even want this. Creating an SMT at the lows. We do have this 4-hour unfilled above us. If we're going to react up out of here, this wouldn't be too bad, I don't think. Sweeping out this low range liquidity, SMT. Are we gonna tap this 15-minute? Okay. As that comes into this 15-minute gap, are we just gonna go all the way down? We're gonna SMT. Nice. So we head into this 15-minute gap here. Oh no, we're still continuing down. Still didn't quite sweep out this low. Okay. So there's no SMT at the lows right now. But both indexes have traced into that 15-minute gap. What time is it? It's 9:42. So on the hourly, we're respecting this hourly after tapping into this order block. 4 hour. We're respecting the 4 hour right now. 15-minute, we're just coming down. It's like a low time frame SMT. Just because this wick goes below this one, so like a 30-second or 15-second SMT. There's draws in both directions right now. But I think on the higher time frame, at least right this second, right now we're respecting bearish. This can just open up. Do have London lows below us. This is a 5-minute unfilled gap. That's also where our next liquidity would be on the 1 minute. If we are going to be bearish, do we SMT these lows? 824.25, 824.25. Now we equal lows. So these are equal lows here. Equal lows on ES. We push up into this 5-minute gap. 15-minute open high. This is a 30-second inverse. We're making an SMT up this high. I'm going to see how this candle closes.
Order filled.
I'm in. I'm gonna stops the break even since we took out that.
Order filled.
Should have just closed out an SMT because I just realized ES made the SMT. I wasn't even peeping. All right, well, ES made did it? No, ES didn't take. I'm tripping. ES didn't make an SMT. They just didn't take out those lows. Is this a good trade? I probably could have just still been in this. Yeah, I could have just stayed in this. What time is it? 9:51. Okay, wait, so what time is it now? So 9:40. So this 15-minute candle open at 9:45. Yeah, right now we're building more liquidity. This is break even. Because this low that's marked here is this one too, right? Yeah, okay, cool. It's just because we had these equal lows. Once we took out, I should have just, I should have just took this 30-second inversion right here down to these equal lows, honestly. That would have been a way better trade than trying to catch down here. I seen these equal lows, I think seen the 30-second inversion. It's my fault though. Tapped into this 15-minute, tapped into the 30-minute, 30 minutes projecting. Hourly, we're creating an unfilled hourly down here. But let's see how high we go here. Especially with the 10 a.m. candle about to open up. 26675. 267. 26675. 267. Oh, so technically this took it. So Nasdaq took out this high. ES took out this high. And now we're going lower. So it's saying like a 15-minute order block, 5-minute order block up here. Because right now we're reacting bullish, but this hourly is about to open up. So we shall see. Cool. Alright, make that little preset because I forgot that I don't have it up here. Yeah, so we're gonna want to be bullish here. I think just because we're reacting off the 15-minute, or reacting off this 30-minute, the 1 hour we're about to inverse, the 4 hour we're also gonna inverse. Unless we have a huge dump here. I'll be looking for us to maybe, you know, come down, sweep out these lows, and then let me get a little reaction up, or really just catch a continuation to this gap up here. Because if we're going to be bullish, we're definitely going to tap into this 4 hour gap up above us. But it looks like we're just going there right away. Okay, yeah, so I think I'm going to be looking for longs. So just got this inversion of the 4 hour in 10 seconds. The 1 hour is going to get inverse in 10 seconds. We're reacting off this 30-minute gap and this 15-minute gap. I mean, there's 5-minute gaps and shit here too, but we didn't technically respect those. Now, this is 10 a.m. open. I'm looking for us to maybe manipulate a little lower if possible. This is still that order block. Okay. See if we can stack a little PO3 here. See what we do off this 10 a.m. open. I love this. I love the macro candle. Let's see. SMT, see if we hold it. Yes, gotta change in the state of delivery on the 1 minute. Perfect. More SMTs, be my guest. trying to figure out, make sure we didn't manipulate anything up here. We left these low resistance highs intact. I'm liking these longs. Check out this SMT though. Looks like we're reacting off this 3-minute gap. Thing is, I don't know if I'm gonna get an entry here. Might end up taking like a change in the state because I really like this. But I'll be patient. This is pretty good. I mean, I like what I'm seeing. Are we just gonna expand down from here? Oops. Oh yeah, we're dumping. We're dumping a little bit. going straight down. Yeah, wow, just straight dump. Still have a lot of time in this hourly though. Even 30 minutes, still got another 15-minute candle to go. You react off this level right here. I don't even know, bro. I'm just gonna watch it. Like, this is just straight dump to the downside. Yeah, 10 a.m. open, straight dump. I thought the draw was higher. After rejecting off the 15-minute and rejecting with this 30-minute candle, but with the super wick up here, but we just opened up 10 a.m. and just came straight back down to this key area. Didn't necessarily SMT anything yet. I mean, there's an unfilled 5-minute up here, but with the straight dump that just happened, that was like, I don't know. just gonna mark out these 5-minute gaps. $26.50. Okay, yeah, so we just took that out. Is NASDAQ gonna take this one out? This 15-minute candle opened up, made a low here. Manipulation at the low because of S&T. Probably gonna end up being a 5-minute gap here too. $10.20. Because we opened up the 10 a.m. over here, manipulated down. We opened up this 10.15 now. We're generating even more liquidity. We made an SMT at the low. Let's see what happens here. I'm not sure if we're going to get an entry. Yeah, I mean, I want to get in this, but the thing is like, I don't have a good, like, level of liquidity to really target, to be honest. Or not target, but a good entry. I mean, I have liquidity, I just don't have a good entry. So we stay patient, and if the market doesn't give us one, then we'll fucking just sit back and wait forever. Should I take a 1-minute change in the state? No, we went all the way up. Yeah, if we're gonna go that fast, I'm just gonna sit out of it. Or maybe I'll take the 5-minute inverse. reacted way too quick. That PO3 was fire, though. My understanding of the market is growing, but I feel like I can't catch a trade to save my life. But that's insane. Breaker structure is what I should have took it off of. I mean, I keep saying hindsight, like I say all this shit after the fact, but I can never get in a trade when it really matters. Fuck, dude. All right, lock in. There could still be something. It's only 10:25. Oh my god, this is a major problem for me, I think. Oh, I'm not taking trades. But I mean, this wasn't like perfectly, like, it wasn't exactly what I wanted, but it's like I have enough knowledge to be able to know like where the market's going. Like, I have this drawn liquidity. I knew at 15-minute we react, we come back down, 10 a.m. opens, accumulation, manipulation down here with the SMT, that low time frame, 1 minute SMT, boom, now we're reacting up. But it's just like, fuck, dude. $10.30 could open low though. But that's what we just did over here, and I still didn't catch it. Our reaction was crazy. Yeah, insane reaction. Inverse 2 5-minute gaps with 1 candle. That's wicked. 10:30 opens. It means you have a 15-minute and a 30-minute little macro candle here. We did SMT these lows, but taking a change in the state here is probably not smart. Yeah. There's nothing to enter off of there. Looks like another trade. Or no trade. Like, why? Ugh. Dude. I just end up watching the market, bro. I mark out all these super nice draws and then I just watch them get hit. Bro. This is such a greed mindset though, but it's like break even at this high. It's just like, come on. It's too obvious. It's too obvious. But I just didn't get in because there was no inversion down here. But like, break a structure, changing the state. Come on, Miles. Like, you can do this. Oh, this is so hard. Yeah, at this point, it's 10:30. It's getting late in the day. kind of to the point I had my chance and I missed it. It's kind of like, gotta let this shit go. Let's see though. I mean, if we manipulate up in this gap, we could see like a 5-minute fair value gap lower. But right now we're literally pushing up, like we're not even reacting. We're just mitigating this gap. Oh wow. Nah. I think I lost my state of mind 1,000 miles back home. Yeah, that sucks. Another day, another me watching price and not making a move, bro. Oh my god, it's like it's like I call out the move and I have a bias and I know what I want to happen, but then when it actually happens, I don't take it unless, well, I mean, I know I've been preaching all this, like, don't take a setup unless it's perfect, but I think I want my strategy to be a little more discretionary, just because I feel like I'm good. Like, I feel like I can predict the market decently well. So right now this is a 5-minute gap. It's going to become a 15-minute gap in the next 8 minutes as long as we don't come down there right away. So that could be honestly a decent draw on liquidity, especially for a small retracement. So this is a high time frame hourly gap. Or are we going higher from here? We're just going to keep going higher, then it's just done for the day. Let's probably just call it a day. Right? I mean, yeah, there's not really any more targets above us for us. Unless there's like a gap that's unfilled. No. We're in a high time frame hourly and a 4-hour gap. SMT at the high. We're about to open up a 5-minute gap below us to possibly invert. Nasdaq created equal lows? No, it swept it out. So we SMT'd at the highs and SMT'd at the lows. where the 50-minute open is. 9:45, this 30-minute. Yeah, now we have a stacked 5 and a 50-minute gap below us. SMT at the high. Open high. Come on, do a little more up here. Yeah, it's kind of a big SMT at the lows there. But we did also take out these highs, which are up here on ES. I'm gonna have to keep this one red just so I can see, but I'm watching this 5-minute gap. No, looks like we're respecting this 5-minute. Oh. Yeah, nah. Keeping that 5-minute gap intact. Oh, and it's 10:50. only trade left. I want to catch a trade, but it's like, fuck, bro. I've been hesitating so much recently. Jesus. I mean, hold on. Respect the 5-minute SMT. High 386.75. 386.75. So equal highs here. We're reacting off the 5-minute. We have an SMT at the lows. hold this SMT. Oh no, okay. Close above that. I mean, inversion. We're holding the 5-minute. We have equal highs above us. I know it's 10:58, but I'm gonna do it. Inversion. We just swept out these lows. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. It's too close. It's too close to 11. It's too close to 11. I can't. Holy shit, insta dump. But it's going up, bro. This shit's going up. Jesus Christ, I want to trade so bad, but I'm not going to. Oh my god. I know this is mad boring. I know nobody's watching this, but even if they are, like, I can't trade, bro. I can't. Fuck, bro. Bro, I'm gonna be back testing all night, bro. 5-minute. Are we closing inside of here? And we're gonna close with the 5-minute respect. Oh wait, we made an SMT with these lows? Hold on. Oh, but there's no volatility here. But SMT also? SMT, respect on the 5-minute. We just opened up the hourly here. The 11 a.m. candle. Would this be idiotic to catch? Another SMT. We're respecting the 5-minute. 11 a.m. just opened up. SMT the lows. Am I gonna trade at 11? I have to pee. I'm gonna let God tell me what to do and go pee. Tapped into a 15-minute here. We made the 15-minute candle. We're SMTing into the 15-minute gap with equal highs above us, and we're respecting this current 5-minute. Low-key, I might not care if this shit's after 11, bro. Let me see how this last one closes. This next 1-minute candle might decide it. Yeah, bro.
Order filled.
I'm in that hoe. Since we just retraced, I'll put my stop at break even since ES is already above
Order
the equal
filled.
highs. Boom. Wait, what?
Order filled.
I don't know why it only closed some of them there, but okay, easy. Okay, easy. Easy fucking clap. 1-to-1 here with my stops. Well, really, I just put them at break even once we already swept these highs right here. Because this high made an SMT technically with this one. Nah, it didn't actually. We just made equal highs. Oh, I could have held this. Whatever. I want to take more trades like this, like trades where I'm very, because I feel like a lot of the time when I'm trading here, I mark out a very likely draw on liquidity, and then it's my entry, like getting into the trade to my draw on liquidity, even though I feel like if I just take consistent trades to draws on liquidity that I'm very confident in, my win rate is going to be way higher. But that was a scalp for sure, through hella contracts on it. Not hella, but some. Just because of these equal highs, we respected this 5-minute all the way through. We tapped into a new 15-minute open, boom here, and then we rotated up to the upside. This is, honestly, in my opinion, a really good trade. After 11, but a really good trade. Could have held it a little bit if I wanted to try and like extend my RR, because ES, this high is here. I was looking at this high, which is down here as the equal highs, but the other equal high is this one up here. So I could have waited till ES took out this one to close out, which would have been like pretty much just a second later. Okay, very nice. Now I could have caught a few trades today. I need to chill out because I the only reason why I took this trade is since I didn't take any of these other ones. But this is, let me show you all the P&L. $5.99 per account. So yeah, let me journal this hoe real quick. And it's like now I'm happy. Now I'm happy. But like, fuck, bro. Miles, you hesitated hella, bro. Hella. And then you took a trade past 11 a.m. I mean, like, this trade was amazing. And I feel like any day of the week, I should take this trade if I see it again. If the opportunity presents itself. Even if this is at 11, bro. Come on. 15-minute retrace into a 15-minute. Let me clear up some of this shit so that you guys can understand what's going on. Actually, I'm just gonna remark it up in TradeZilla because I'm gonna delete all this anyway. TradeZilla. Let me move this over here actually so I can download it all, so I don't like accidentally leak some shit. Oh my god, this black TradeZilla, way fucking better. Way fucking better. At a trade, I did mess up. Well, I didn't mess up, but that first break even. Gave me like $3, by the way. Cool. So, yeah, I don't know what happened here. Let me see what happened here. This is contracts traded. Long, 15 long. Did I place like a buy order at that level too by accident? Like, did I place a buy and a sell order? Maybe. Anyways. So we in a 15-minute gap here. This one, I feel like we had an SMT at these lows or something. Oh, for sure. What time is this? 10:19. What time did I take this trade? Took this trade 10, or no, entry time 9:49. So it was back in 9:49. Why did I go break even? Was 9:49 on the dot? Really? I don't remember this. I mean, I remember it. Wow, this is crazy. I really don't. Why would I enter at 9:49? Because that candle is, or I guess I just, because that mean I would have entered right when this candle opened up and when this red candle closed, which don't make no sense because I'd never enter on something like that. I feel like, is it like a 30-second inversion or something? retraced into this 15. Didn't have any gaps except for on the 1 minute. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe this trade time is slightly wrong, but without that, I can't really find exactly what I was doing. Oh, it was short. Oh, okay. That was the missing piece of the puzzle. Yes, okay. Because I was looking at this low right here. If we were just going to come straight through this fair value gap, take out this next low. Okay, cool. Because if we go to the 1 minute here, there's an SMT at these highs. Yep. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Now shit's starting to make sense. Boom. Okay. So SMTs at these highs. Can I? There we go. Now it's looking like my chart. There we go. So close that out down there. Boom. So we had an SMT at this high on the 1 minute. Yeah, we did have a 30-second inversion. So we had a 30-second inversion up here. And I took it on the change in the state. And then once we took this out, I put my stop to break even. Okay, that makes sense. That right there makes sense. Pretty much. Down to this low right here. I was looking for this low SMT at the high. One, yeah, SMT at the high, so stop 1 to 1. So right at the body. And then break even. Oh, that's cool. Why did you take your trade? Did you follow the arrows? Okay, cool. So SMT at the high. Here, fuck. SMT at recent. Market was bearish at the time, comma, SMT plus next draw lower below, comma, also London and Asia lows below 4 extra draws. Just because I want to take that low hanging fruit, or like that first one, that first draw that comes up. However, there were like Asia lows and London lows down here. Thinking maybe we would just reverse straight through this. Break even after taking internal liquidity, comma, stopped almost immediately. I don't know how to fucking spell, but it doesn't matter. Thank God for autocorrect. Cool. That's really all I need to put there. We're looking for shorts down to this low. We had the 1 to 1. Boom. We put the stop low after taking out all this liquidity right here. Let me put my break even right here. Cool. Perfect. Okay, cool. So that break even's cool. Boom. So trade 1 journaled. Trade 2. This is the same trade. Just gonna put accident on this one. Accident. Trade number 2. A plus setup besides time. What time did I take the trade? 11:05. Okay. So we have equal highs above. Equal highs above. All right, I'll just mark it on the lower time frame. Oh, that sucks. It's not going to show us any of the candles past 11. Okay, well, we can just replicate them. Let's see, where does it close? Okay, it opens up right around there, so it goes down. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. 15 minute. Mark that out there. $15-minute gap. Oh shit. Damn, I suck at using a keyboard. I need to practice. Cool. So 15-minute is here. We make this 15-minute gap. Right. And right after we make this 15-minute gap, candles aren't here, but bear with me. 11 a.m. open. We come down once. We come down again right there, right? But not quite as much. Boom. Up one more time. Then we come down and sweep all of this. We create an SMT. right above that high of 1059. Yep. Okay, perfect. So we close right above this 1059 high right here. Okay. So 15-minute. We also have SMTs at these lows. Turn this white. Replace this SMT one. Yep, so that's white. Okay, cool. Because we have SMTs at the lows in this 15-minute gap. Then we also have equal highs above. So shit. Then we get a breaker structure plus the ISD. And then right here, structure plus CISD. Boom. Entry here. Boom. Put a 1-to-1 stop. Oh my god. Bro, I just drew that shit out all on the wrong one. And the other one has it. Holy shit. Yo, I'm special. Yo, I'm special, bro. And now all of it's gonna load. I'm not cutting that out either because I'm just gonna keep this all in. Yo, I just wasted all that time for nothing. And now it's gonna load. I'm dead. Alright, let me just mark it out right. This will be way easier now that there's shit on the screen. 15-minute right here. $15-minute SMTs at all these lows. Structure plus CISD. Cool. Breaker structure CISD equal highs. Equal highs above. Oh my god, take off my caps lock. Equal highs above, comma, retrace to 15-minute gap. SMT at the lows. just want to get in the habit of, like, when you know it's expanding like this, just get in the trade. Just get in the trade. That's it. Don't worry about it too much. Like, you started taking inversions, and now all of a sudden I'm looking for only inversions, which is kind of what I've been getting caught up in. Oh wait, I'm not supposed to remove this. This is supposed to stay forever. Cool. Perfect. Yeah. Cool. Besides that, we finally took a trade. Took a little dub. Something chill, something small, something easy. I'm hoping to continue my trading like this, and I'm probably gonna make a back testing video soon on just draws on liquidity and trading really discretion, like trading with majority discretion. Now that I feel like I've built up my market experience enough to the point where I can mark out draws that are going to get hit, and that's what I've been doing all week. I've just been marking out draws, and they get hit, but I haven't been getting in the trades, so I want to start getting in the trades. Besides that, have a great day, guys. Like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't like it. Comment anything you want, bro. I really don't care. That's it, yeah. Have a great day, guys.